Alright, hey guys, so back in an update on the Apollo. So I'm gonna try to start working on it again, make some videos on it. It'd be cool, something to get started back on the channel. Still have the Apollo dirt bike, still got the blaster. I actually rebuilt the motor. I didn't rebuild it, I bought another 4-liter motor, but I'm gonna rebuild that motor because the cam seal on that one is leaking. So fuck, it's gonna get rebuilt. The old motor that blew up, I guess it's the wrist pin or the needle bearing, whatever it's called, it blew up. So it blew up in there and then fucking grenaded my motor. And I'm really sad about it, but I don't know. That's what happens when I buy a quad for $2,000. So here's the Apollo. And just show you just some minor rusting. You know, pipe easily touched up. This doesn't rust, that's just rust dust. This is all rusted, but this is not also the right one. But here's the old spark plug. Yeah, pretty dirty. Are you really? There it goes. That's weird. So yeah, she's really dirty. Could clean it off with a lighter or something, but about another one. And make sure connection's all clean. That's what a clean spark plug looks like. So we're gonna toss that one in. So I got it started. Now it's time for the oil change. So got the bike right here, oil pan, got the oil right there, that green bottle, funnel, brake cleaner, and Marvel Mystery Oil. Why did I get Marvel Mystery Oil? My car lives off on that, and I believe it works because I'm at 264,000 miles on this, my everyday car, and it runs fine. So just give it an oil change, but it fires up, runs a little rough. Could be just because of the oil, I don't know. But new spark plug, bought the new oil, clean out the carburetor, and I think my fuel valve needs to get changed because it's got a really poor flow. I mean, it's still got a decent flow that it might keep the carb filled, but it should be better than that. Anyways, I'm gonna do the oil change right now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it pours out. So it is black, real black. So I think I'm doing a little change on it. As far as I know, if I just pour some in here, should be more than enough. And I'll put some in the fuel later on. Okay, so I guess I will put some in the gas, not too much. I know it's got some old gas in there, so I picked up some 89 instead of 87. Hopefully get a little more pep for mixing in with some old fuel. It's about half a tank. I don't want to dump it, but it still looks clean. I'm gonna put some fresh gas in it, top it off, shake it around, give it a good run in that new oil, and see what Marvel Mystery Oil does wonders to this poor and abused dirt bike. Yeah. So she runs. I'm gonna give her a good old kick. Go back in. Idle's pretty good. A little bit on the high side, but she's cold, you know. Just let it back down. I've had this thing for more than a year now, and it's lasted me quite a while. I've had no problems. I've had a bolt fall off, but I put another one on and I ran it down with another nut to hold it down. So I put that back, and then these, I don't know if there's anything supposed to hold them. I bought it actually used, but I don't know. It doesn't bother me. And some new handlebars. Previous owner, you know, messed up the handlebars, so they're a little cut up. The old ones are a little cut up from the deformed plastic, but I covered up, got some new grips, some levers, and running Marvel Mystery Oil in the fuel and oil. So I mean, it's lasting pretty well. No complaints. New spark plug. Did a tune up. It needs some pod filter though. But in the muffler falls. So I'm gonna try to get another one. Probably weld it on there. But that's probably my only complaint. The muffler falls off. No problems with it though.